Then dip me underway. Fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for every. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Welcome back, guys. So today we are here with Beauty Forever Hair. So I got this tote bag which is branded, and then I also received this drawstring bag branded as well. First thing I saw was the wig, and then we also got a goodie bag. Got a pair of HD wig caps, another pair of it, and we got some colorful press-ons, perfect for the springtime, a branded elastic headband, and then for the wig today we have this Bye Bye Knot 7x5 closure wig. It's a pre-cut lace, and it is a Yaki straight texture. It's pre-bleached knots, it's invisible knots, and of course it's a wear and go glueless wig, so it's perfect for my beginners. Inside of the wig it looks like this with adjustable bands in the back, and it also has the area where the extra elastic band should go in the loops, which you'll see in a bit because that was in the wig bag itself, right? That's it right there. And then I also got these tapes if you opt to add additional security to the lace. Then I proceeded to pretty much slipping on the wig. It was so snugged. Of course, I crisscrossed the adjustment straps in the back. That always adds to that very snugged feeling without getting a headache, of course. And then just this bit of lace in the front that has a bit of cast, I went ahead and cut that off, and I proceeded to adding a little bit of powder after doing so. This really helps with minimalizing the cast and just making everything look way more realistic.
Then dip me underway. Fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for every. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Proceeded to use my hot comb to get the top really laid. I must say the construction of this wig is really well done, because even before I went into lay it with my hot comb, it already was so flat, and everything, as I said, is so well snugged on my head. So I love that they really constructed it in a way where it's really not much work left for you to do. Everything is customized really nicely, and I love that. I also love how, you know, the front is pre-plucked. You know, it's not too much of a deep graduation, but it's realistic enough. If you wish to go in and give it a deeper graduation, you can do so, but be careful because it is a bye-bye knots that you're working with, which is basically an invisible lace. I did go through the entire wig with my flat iron for the first look that I decided to do with the wig, which is just a classical center part, keep that bust down vibe going, and it was so easy to run through. As I say, it's a Yaki texture. It's really pretty. It has that natural blowout kind of look, and it just gives that natural girl vibe. So I absolutely love that. So this is hairstyle number 1. If you just want to keep it simple, cute, classy, clean, yeah. The movement of the hair is so beautiful, by the way, right? Yeah, look at that. And did I mention this wig is 24 inches long? Yeah, so it's beautiful. Now for hairstyle number 2, I really wanted to do somewhat of an updo a bit. So I did kind of like of a half up, half down. It's not really a half up, half down, more of a quarter up because it's just in the mid portion here. And I just wanted to do this because we're working with a large lace space. Even though it's not a full lace frontal, it is a large lace closure, and you don't have to feel restricted. So this right here, look at that. It layered so flat. It was so easy to do. Really wasn't much of a hassle, and it's cute, trendy. Yeah, you don't have to feel confined to only doing, you know, a center part or doing a side part. And we're gonna get into a side part. We're gonna get into the side part in a few, but this is so cute. And it's fun, you know, if you want to just do something a little bit more fun, I feel like this is the hairstyle, for sure, That's such a vibe. And we're doing all of this while it still remains completely glueless. Isn't that so convenient? What? Absolutely love it. So this is the third and final hairstyle that I explored with this wig. I pretty much went into doing a side part, but I also decided that I wanted to do some curls. So that's what I got into. Got my T3 curling iron and we got into some curls, honey, okay? The texture is really easy to work with, so as I said, feel free to go ahead and explore with this wig. It's very beginner friendly. It really doesn't take up a lot of time, all right, to style. As you can see, it's really a breeze. So yeah, Beauty Forever really did their thing with today's wig. It's gorgeous as per usual. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. So if you guys are interested to go ahead and get this wig for yourself or somebody else, go ahead, check out down below. If there's any discount code that I may have, check that out for that as well. And go ahead, get yourself a deal. Summer is coming, you know. We want to change the looks up. What? You don't want to stay confined to one look for too long. So yeah, you guys know I'm the girl to look to when you want to change your look up, because I constantly give you guys different like wig ideas and just variety over here. But yeah, this is how it turned out after I curl it up. It's giving me that like natural girl curled up vibe. Like, it's just so cute. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it for today's wig, guys. I hope you found this informative. Shout out to Beauty Forever for today's gorgeous wig once more. And don't forget to go ahead, check out down below. That's all for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye.